Glama here. So I just wanted to let you know that I just made a beauty video for my Glama channel. Just go to YouTube and type in Glama and you'll find my beauty channel. And I recreated this look that I had posted last week, and I did a little changes. I made a few changes to it, I should say. So yeah, go and check it out. On my first one, I had this gold and the rest all in pinkish colors, but this time I decided to put the gold in the center and I added a little heart. How adorable is that? Alrighty guys, so that should be uploaded soon. I'm gonna start editing it here in a little bit and it should be uploaded by tomorrow. So yeah, go check it out. And I have other ideas too. I'm gonna probably do like a purple pink fuchsia makeup look, and I'm also gonna do like a peachy soft pink pastel makeup look soon. So yeah, can't wait. I had a lot of fun recreating this look today, and I like it a lot better than the first time that it came out. So yeah, here it is. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Have a glamtastic day. Bye!